This is a layout file of the link fragment. So currently we have frame layout here. So let's convert this into uh, constraint layout. Yep. I've also created a Figma file where I keep on posting the final results of the fragments. So let's just quickly switch on to the Figma file. Design this layout quickly. So first thing is the res lottie files, and we can have the raw res. You have to provide the path of the JSON file which you download. So if you are not aware of this file, so I'll quickly show you. So whenever you go on to the lottifiles.com, here on the very top you will find this search bar. So here you can search for any animations that you require for your applications. For this, I have downloaded the very first application, very first animation. So once you have selected an animation, click on it. Here you'll get an option, a drop-down menu. From here, click on the very first option, Lottie.json, or you have to download the Lottie.json file. Once the Lottie.json is downloaded, all you have to do is go back to your Android folder and create the raw folder inside it. So how to create this raw folder? It's an easy process. Right click on the resource directory, and here under new you have this option of Android resource directory. Click on it. A new window will pop up here. Just replace the name for the directory name as raw, and under the resource type you can fetch for the raw resource type. So once you have made this configuration, just click OK, and after clicking OK you will be having this folder inside your resource directory, and just copy that JSON file inside this raw, as I have pasted a few JSONs inside this raw file. And after that you just have to provide the name of the JSON which you have installed and put inside the raw folder. I think this looks good, and if we compare it with our, so we also have some corners. So if you want, you can add some corner radius as well. That's it. Now let's run it on our emulator and see how our final design looks. So for that, I've connected my physical device with it. Okay, nothing is there. So, oh, so one thing which I forgot to tell you that whenever you create this fragments and navigation view, and you create these fragments where all the views will be sitting. So for to see those fragments, you require a container. So that container is your main activity. So main activity is your container in which you will be putting all the fragments, and through this you will be traversing between or switching between the views, which are your fragments, using this container view. So in order to do that, the quickest way is just switch back to the design view, and here on the very top you can search as nav host fragment. You have to just drag and drop here, and on dragging it will prompt you that which navigation graph you want to select for this fragment. So select the main navigation graph and click OK. So once you click OK, you see automatically a new this layout has been popped up. Bingo. So you see, we have got this cool layout with us where we have this animation um, running, and we have this our the link box where you will be copy pasting your link, and we have these two cool buttons. So one thing to observe is that in this we don't have any top bar here, the title bar, but in this this extra thing is showing. So we don't require this. So for that you need to add some theme configuration inside your manifest file. So let's just go ahead and quickly resolve this as well, so that our app looks whole after this step. Switching back to Android Studio, locate your themes file. So once you have these configuration listed, go back to your manifest file, and here under the main activity tag, just introduce theme and give the name of the theme which you just created, which is full screen app. See, there is no title bar at top, and also we are getting this transparent top status bar and navigation bar. So this will create an immersive experience for the user. Next video, we'll learn about how to add actions to this button, and also we'll be creating our next fragment, which will be our home fragment, and how we can connect these two fragments using the navigation graph. Stay tuned, wait for our next video, and I'll see you soon.